If you have been trying to make money online and this is 2022 and you have not got it right, I promise you that in this video you will get all you probably need to do that. But before I dive into the video in few seconds now, quickly help me by subscribing to my channel, because that's the only way I can be able to continue providing you content like this. Firstly, you have to know the reason why you are not yet making money online, and I will like you to take your time now and sit down to listen to what I want to share with you, and you will be able to know yourself. These are the few questions I want you to answer yourself now. Number 1, what is your skill? Number 2, are you doing daily research on new trending opportunities? Number 3, do you follow the right YouTube channel? Number 4, are you hard-working? Number 5, do you give time and hard work to every ideas you are getting online? If you can be able to answer all these and make amendments, all the methods I'm sharing with you today will actually work very well for you. Kindly, before I move forward to these methods, kindly drop a comment down below and tell me your own problem, and I will reply with a solution. And don't also forget to click on the subscription button to get my daily powerful videos. Now let's continue. There has never been a better time where you can make money online from home or anywhere you want with just an internet connection. But do you also wish to work from home without making any investments? There are numerous money-making options that pay you well so that you can take care of your bills and some other extra expenses. Number 1 is the newbie affiliate marketing company known as Amazon Associates. I have made over $2,000 on Amazon Associate alone, and this is still one of the simplest way to make money online in 2022. But how does Amazon Associate works? It's just by promoting any Amazon product you wish to promote, and you get paid for every sales you made. I have a step-by-step tutorial on that in which you can be making money instantly, and will be posted tomorrow on this channel. I personally made it for my students, but I will share it with you on this channel, and you can only be notified when you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will only be sharing only 2 methods, and number 2 method is CPA marketing. What is CPA marketing? CPA marketing is when you make someone to perform an action on a website and you get paid for it. We have tons of CPA networks, but the one I personally use and recommend is CPA Grip. It's very user-friendly, and I just made $500 on it last month. I have a group where I teach people on how to make money and also have over 200 students. My tutorial is completely free. If you are interested, drop a comment down below, and also help me by subscribing to my channel, because this is my only source of video excitement. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.